Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to fix direct message option not showing on TikTok. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So after opening your TikTok profile, you have to click on this 3-line icon to the top right hand side, settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem, and scroll down, then click on notifications and messages, direct message, and click on direct messaging is no longer available. Click on no, click on need more help, and here you have to describe your problems, then click on report. So this is how we can fix TikTok direct message option not showing. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.